Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel and subscribe my YouTube channel, RideNexus. Introduce the BMW X6, mentioning its ACK designation and its role as a luxury performance SUV. Establish the color, Alpine White. Focus the bulk of the time on the customization. Highlight the wide-body kit, how it dramatically changes the car's presence. Discuss the flared fenders, the aggressive stance, and the lowered suspension. Use descriptive words like menacing, muscular, and planted. Detail the chrome-polished wheels, emphasizing their size and shine as a critical part of the look. Move to the rear. Discuss the diffuser, likely carbon fiber, and the quad exhaust tips, linking them to the car's powerful potential. Mention the sleek LED taillights. Summarize the car as a perfect example of luxury meeting aggressive tuning. A highly customized, head-turning version of an already distinctive vehicle. The quad exhaust tips and the imposing rear diffuser strongly suggest this is a high-end performance model, likely an M Sport or full M variant, or visually modified to match that look. The underlying engine is likely the 4.4-liter twin-turbo V8. Emphasize the acceleration, 0 to 60 miles per hour, in the low 4-second or high 3-second range for these models.